Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 12:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, September 24th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Subscribe and bell if you want to be notified. Click the thumbs up. Share the video. Let people know that RLC needs to be RLC'd. It's iExec, to be exact. Intraday updates on the Twitter link below. Man, my jokes are getting cornier by the day into the weekend. All right, I just want everyone to go over to this site. There's a link below the video. Check it out. It's all on tech analysis on stocks. I think I actually do better on stocks. So wouldn't be a bad idea to have another perspective. Diversify your portfolio. Don't just be in cryptos. Again, not financial advice, but man, stocks are probably a little less crazy. So balancing out your fortunes and pennies and dollars onto that would be a great idea. Again, not financial advice, but there'll be a link below. 200 subscribers on that channel, and I will show my face on this one. Let's move into the market, as if anyone cares to see my face. All right, so where are we at? We're 309, not a problem. Why? Because we came down. We literally came back up. We were in this range. We had this line drawn yesterday as the ultimate line of support. We're probably going to go back over this orange line. I'm going to go through why that is in a couple of seconds, but just know that there's been a lot of FUD in the market, and as you could expect, this is why we have to follow this on a daily. The FUD is just insane and unacceptable by me. China just doesn't like Bitcoin, but we knew this. They already outlawed it a week ago. We're going to go into that in a second. I don't want my blood pressure boiling here. Okay, so RLC Bitcoin. Look, we're literally stuck on stupid on that line. In the meantime, we're going to just continue, in my opinion, to go up, and it will be a slow crawl. Be like a pub crawl, like when you're a teenager. You hit every bar on the street. Well, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing here. We're going to stop in at every bar. It's going to go slow for a little bit. We are going a little sideways here. There's no question about it. This is the RLC Bitcoin pair, very strong and resilient. All eyes are on Bitcoin here because Bitcoin, we can't let that thing fall through 40K. And I'll explain why. But RLC is right here. I don't think it's going below 284 at this point. I think we have a pretty solid line of support, supported by both the RLC Bitcoin pair and by Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin, again, still going through the sideways action that it always does. We've seen it happen before. And, down here, and then another bounce down here. So we go down here, and we had a sharper bounce, but I think we're going to pull back up and then slowly trickle down. Very similar to this pattern, maybe not identical, but, within reason. Okay, so we're 42,000 this morning. We went almost to 40,000 and change. Tweeted out this morning, if you are on my Twitter, I think 40K is the support line, and certainly it was even better than that. It was up at 40,800. So I think Bitcoin has a couple of things going for it. It's the same old FUD. So people who left jump ship, FUD up, so that's what happens. So pretty much the FUD was really driven by just posting what they had already talked about and have already announced on September 15th, which was last week. They said that they were going to make it illegal to trade Bitcoin. Well, boo-hoo. Okay, we moved on, and today they just posted it online. That was the only difference. So look, that's not a reason to jump ship. I think it was probably the less informed jump ship, and who are the less informed? That's right, retail investors, and that's why those were the people dumping their shares of Bitcoin or coins of Bitcoin. Anyway, Bitcoin dominance is at 41.55. Again, the FUD drove us up to that bottom, that underbelly of that line. But what happened? We pulled back. Why? Because now we're starting to see some stabilization in Bitcoin. A little bit of the risk on trade is starting to come back. Retail investors are kicking themselves to sell at 40,600 when it's now 42,000. Who knows? But we are still on a bullish trend down on the Bitcoin dominance, which means all that much better for altcoins. That's pretty much all I've got. It is Friday. I'm out of here. I got some things to do, places to be, as I'm sure all of you do. I just have another few videos to catch up on, and then I'm out of here. But you guys have a great weekend. Take it easy.